Every day you try to focus, but somehow you just can't. Hours disappear as you scroll through TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. This is proof that your brain is trapped in a dopamine loop. But don't worry, because today I'll show you how dopamine detox works and how you can reclaim your focus. Dopamine is a chemical in your brain that makes you feel good. It's the reason you stay motivated. But it's also the reason you get addicted. Every time you check your phone, scroll social media, or watch short videos, your brain releases dopamine. Over time, this constant stimulation makes real-life tasks feel boring. Here's the problem. When your brain is exposed to high dopamine levels all the time, it stops enjoying low dopamine activities. Studying, reading, or working becomes boring because your brain craves the instant pleasure of endless scrolling. Dopamine detox is a method to reset your brain. By avoiding high dopamine activities for a set period, you allow your brain to recover. For one full day, you cut out social media, video games, and junk food. Instead, you read, walk, and think deeply. At first, it feels boring, but after a few hours, your mind starts to feel clear again. To start your dopamine detox, follow these 3 steps. 1. Remove triggers. Put your phone on silent. Delete unnecessary apps. 2. Focus on low dopamine activities. Read books, meditate, go for a walk. 8. Reintroduce stimuli. Gradually, add dopamine sources back. If you truly want to regain your focus and discipline, you need to try dopamine detox. It might feel difficult at first, but soon you'll feel your mind getting sharper. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe and turn on notifications for more. See you in the next one.